Ooh, I like this one. That one there looks like brand new. Hey, Dodge Star, you enjoying it? Yeah. This is so amazing. I don't know what I'm going to say, Junior, but thank you. It was my pleasure, but, I got a big surprise for you. Oh, do you? What is it? Alright, Toad, you could bring it in. Since you're our friend, we decided to get you this. Is that really? That's right, Dodge Dart. Your Hot Rod Flames. Oh, yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. So, what do you say? You want to put them on? Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, you're gonna like it, Dodge Dart. Try them on you. Okay. Okay, I will try them on. Okay. Right there, and you look perfect. So, what do you think? I look amazing with these hot rod flames. They look amazing, but still amazing. I'm glad you like them. Where'd you get these? From an auto store. They sell one of them, so we decided to get you one. Wow, this is the best car show ever. Man, I'm gonna show this to Lonnie and Tayo and Cece. This is awesome, thank you. You're welcome. We make his day happy. Yeah, totally. The new character must be here. Let's go.